Today we are going to practice printing our lowercase plain letters I, R, and U. With the vowel I. I stands for the sound I. That's the sound that short I makes. Make the sound with me. I. Okay. Notice I is sort of a short lowercase letter. That's why we call it a plain letter, because we are going to start writing the letter I on the plain line. If you do not have Foundations paper at home, that's okay. Any handwriting or printing paper that has the 3 lines with the dotted or dashed line in the middle will do just fine. So take your pencil, you're going to point to the plain or the middle line. Then you're going to go straight down to the bottom grass line. Then you just add a dot like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's try the letter I again. Do you remember which line we start with? If you said the plain line or the dotted or dashed line, you are correct. We start at the middle plain line. So we point our pencil at the plain line or middle line, go down to the grass line, then add a dot. Pretty simple. It's just one stroke, then a quick dot with your pencil. This time, I'm going to write the letter I again, starting at my middle plain line. But instead of saying what I'm doing, I'm actually going to make the sound that I represents. I. Here we go. I. Excellent. And that was the letter I. Our next letter is the consonant R. Okay, so for R, again, just like I and all of our letters in today's lesson, we begin at the plain line or the middle line. Okay, so we're going to rest our pencil right here, point to the plain line. You're going to go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plain line, and make a little curve. Okay, it's like a little curve, almost looks like a hook. Okay, and that is the letter R. Can you make the sound for R? If you don't know it, it's R. It's a very stretchy sound, like you hear at the beginning of rat. Okay, let's say R, rat, R. Excellent. Okay, let's make it one more time, just a little bit faster. We point to the plain line or middle line, go down to the grass line, trace back up to the plain line, and make a little curve. Excellent. Your pencil just stays on the paper the whole time. You do not even have to pick it up once. Excellent. One last time. This time we're going to make the sound while we write the letter R. Very nice. So that is I and R, which means we have one more lowercase plain letter, and that is the vowel U. U stands for the short vowel sound, like you hear at the beginning of up or umbrella. Say the sound with me. Good. So here's how we make the letter U. Again, just like all of our letters today, we start at the middle plain line. So let's point our pencil to the plain line. We are going to go down to the grass line, curve back up to the plain line, and trace straight down to the grass line. I think I can probably write just a little bit neater than that. So I'm going to try it again This time I'm going to try to hold on to my paper a little bit better. So again, we take our pencil, we point to the middle plane line. Okay. We go down to the grass line, curve back up to the plane line, and then straight back down to the grass line. Excellent. There's letter U. Okay, let's do one more. This time we're going to make the short sound for U while we write it. Let's say U, up, What's the sound again? Say it with me. Ready? Excellent. Maybe you can stretch out the sound for U while you write the letter 2. If you're at home watching this for the first time, feel free to practice with your magic writing finger or with your whole arm. We have I, itch, R, and U, up, and those are our lowercase letters for the day. I, R, and U. As always, thank you for watching.